Thank you, thank you.
Yep. Or do we want to grab Bloodwind as well, real quick?
Yeah, that's what I want to do next.
Okay.
And then we'll go Crossroads, and then we'll work on the Red Fortress for you.
Okay. Well.
And then we have a little fucking wall. We'll capture the wall gates, and then I will begin my money-making schemes as long as these fucking dicks don't do anything over fucking here.
Oh. Let's do it.
Alright. Hollow rounds.
It's a Grand Cathay. Okay.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna end up. Because you know what's the problem, Rach? That's where the scheming come from.
I don't know what you just said, but okay.
That's where the Skaven come from. And if we do not take over the Grand Cathay there, they crumble and we're covered in fucking piss. One day, Biggs, we will do a wall. Oh, beehole. That's we're not allowed to talk about the crack rat.
Oh, Lothar's back there now.
I'll allow it for now because you don't know about that. I need a little bit of health, though. I could move up, but that's the problem, Rage. I'm low.
Just move up.
Okie dokie. Fuck it. Fucking bucket. Oh, the granite spike needs to make more money for us. Yeah. We need to have an overseer over here. Problem.
So we'll probably end up having to siege that place for a turn or two. So I'll do the sieging while your shit heals up the rest of the way. And then I'll back off of the siege and let you take it. And I'll just
That's
back up your army.
understandable.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mihal. It just causes more problems. I don't want Twitch to think, ah! Rage, I'm dead.
What? Were you already at war with him?
No!
Yeah, he spawns at war with him. Yes, he
Oh,
spawned
that's
at war with him.
right. Oh, yeah, you just took the Iron Storm from him.
Do you want me to retreat? I could retreat.
Yes, just retreat. You should be fine.
Retreat.
Okay, you're not.
Fuck!
Fuck.
I mean, he has a lot of trolls.
If I would have been at war with him, he wouldn't have been able to do that attack, but I'm not at war with him yet. I just realized that. Fuck. He would have lost that battle when he attacked you if I was at war with him.
Fuck. The trolls are gonna fucking murder me.
Yeah, the trolls are gonna be a problem.
I'm dead.
Well,
God,
You're gonna
fuck!
You're gonna have your province, and plus Rage is gonna kill him. He's right there.
Yeah, I am gonna fucking kill him.
He just went into fucking March. Right in front of fucking Rage.
God fucking damn it!
Time to break them. Destroy all.
Alright, I killed Lothar.
Shadows coil upon me. Guzma, Dak, Saru, Ankur.
Wait, Magua. I'm gonna need to kill some rats.
Yeah, I was, but I wasn't able to run away enough, Biggs, because my army is slow. So I literally fucked myself, and I have no units again.
Time to attack.
I think we should put the blame on Rage, for real. If Rage was at war with him, I would have killed you.
It's not my
Just
fault
saying.
I wasn't at war with them yet.
Just saying.
I took that place for you, though. Oh, you occupy and force their leader to join your cause. All their armies will be destroyed. Yes.
I shall
Actually,
be
I guess you
your
can confederate them. I didn't know you could.
Yeah, I just confederated them now. And now I can give Bloodwind Keep to Cloud.
I don't think you can. I don't know you can because it's not your capital. I don't know you could